These are the most expensive neighborhood in Lagos, Nigeria. This information is very important if you are looking at relocating to Lagos, Nigeria, or you're looking at buying a property, or you're looking at living within these houses. It is important for you to know the most expensive neighborhood in Lagos, Nigeria. Now, Lagos is the most vibrant economic powerhouse in Nigeria, with an approximate population of 16.5 million people. This city has an importation of 308.83 million, accounting for about 47.18% of Nigeria total importation as last quarter of 2023. This state has recorded as the most commercial city or the most commercial capital in Nigeria and the economic hub of West Africa as a whole. Given its economic importance, Lagos has the biggest magnet of both local and international investors, professionals, and entrepreneurs. Lagos is not only economically important, but it has one of the most vibrant real estate markets in Africa as a whole. Analysis has argued that Lagos has the most expensive project in West Africa. In this video, my focus is to share with you the most expensive neighborhood in Lagos, Nigeria, with data with their average property price both for rent and for sales, so that when you are looking at investing in a neighborhood, depending on your resources, you can choose wisely. You know, my name is Dennis Eson. What we do in landproperty.ng, we help Nigerians in diaspora to own property right here in Lagos, Nigeria. And even if you are a Nigerian in Nigeria, we can also assist you too. This information is very important whether you are a Nigerian in diaspora, especially you, and also if you are in Nigeria, because you need to know more about this location so that you can choose wisely. The number one in my list is the EKO Atlantic. EKO Atlantic is the most expensive neighborhood in Nigeria, and it's located in a land that was reclaimed adjacent to Victoria Island in Lagos, Nigeria. It was developed as a modern city within a city and is designed to be a sustainable, luxurious urban development which offer the blend of residential, commercial, and also recreation space. The EKO Atlantic comprises of 10 districts, which include the business district, the marina district, the downtime, the EKO Drive, the avenues, the Arbor Light, the Ocean View, and it's also comprised of luxury property just like the EKO Pier Tower, the TMI Gardens, the Eve Towers, the Phoenix Towers, and as well a well-designed landscape road network. The number 2 on my list is Banana Island. Banana Island is a man-made island created on a reclaimed land off the offshore of IKOYI. It is also known for its exclusivity. The infrastructure and the serene environment contribute to it as one of the most expensive neighborhoods in Lagos, Nigeria. The third most expensive city in Lagos, Nigeria is IKOYI, which is located in Etiosa local government. It is also known as Old IKOYI. It is bordered by Victoria Island to the south and also Lagos Lagoon to the north and also Obalende to the east, then the third mainland bridge to the west. It is divided into 2 local governments, which is namely the IKOYI Obalende and the IKOYI East. It is one of the most expensive neighborhoods in Nigeria, known for its affluent residents. It comprises of luxury residential area and commercial area and also lifestyle. The number 4th on my list is Victoria Island. Victoria Island combines commercial nights and residential luxury. It is a masterpiece of Lagos business life, hosting multinational cooperative, luxurious hotel and high-net retail outlets. Victoria Island is known for its luxurious residential apartments, penthouse, restaurants, hospitality development, and making it the popular among expatriates and the wealthy. If you have stayed to the point of this video and you love what you are hearing, kindly like this video so that this video can go viral. Click on the like button. The number 5 on my list is IKEJA GRA. That is Government Reserve Area. It's a prestigious neighborhood located in the heart of Ikeja, the capital city of Lagos, Nigeria. This residential and commercial area is renowned for catering of the influenced population on the mainland. Given its name, IKEJA GRA hosts many government officials, resulting in a concentration of high-end home and government of office, 5-star hotel, and also a diverse range of quality restaurants. Some of the notable establishments in this neighborhood include the Marriott Hotel, the Sheraton Hotel, the IKEJA High Court, and even the Golf Club. Again, if you've stayed to this point, that means that if you love this video, kindly like this video and kindly share the video with your friends. The 6th on my list is Lekki Phase 1. Lekki Phase 1 is one of the oldest yet evolving neighborhood in Lekki. It provides a mix of commercial and residential real estate that command high price. This neighborhood is driven by its proximity to Victoria and IKOYI, as well as the demand of both commercial and residential space. Lekki also offers many recreation spots and commercial establishments, which include restaurants, shopping mall, and hotels. The last on my list is Magodo. Magodo is located in Kosofe local government area and is bordered by Ikosi, Ketu, and also the Ogudu GRA. Stand as one of the most influenced neighborhoods. It is divided into 2 phases: the Magodo Phase 1, which is in Isheri, and also the Magodo Phase 2, which is in Changinsha. It was originally established as a government residential area, but it has transitioned into a private ownership following the government allocation of land to individual. Despite these changes, the neighborhood still retains its exclusivity and its upscale status. It's what I've just shared with you. You can use this as a means of knowing which neighborhood you can decide to stay or live. This is the 7 most expensive neighborhood in Lagos, Nigeria. So you can choose, but choose wisely. My name is Dennis Ison from landproperty.ng. What we do, we help Nigerians in diaspora Nigerians in Nigeria and non-Nigerians who want to invest in Nigeria to make the right choice and invest where their money will count and they will get return on investment. So feel free to contact the number on the screen. Let's assist you in getting your next big property in Lagos, Nigeria, or within Nigeria as a whole. Give us a call. Let's make this happen for you. If this video make any sense to you and you stay to this point, share this video with your friends. Share this video with your neighbor. Share this video and kindly ask the question below. Comment which of this city out of the 7 you would like to live on. Let me hear from you. Give us in the comment section below. Let me hear from you.